Hi guys, in this video we know about how much gravel do I need for 1000 square foot area, and in this video you know simply the calculation of gravel required for 1000 square foot area. Suppose gravel are used for making driveway and your driveway area is about 100 square foot, and generally the depth of your project is 4 inches. Then your question is how much gravel required for this 1000 square foot driveway project when the depth of your project is 4 inches, and 4 inches is equal as 0.33 feet. And now come to the calculation. Volume of your project is equal as square footage area into depth of your project, and the area of your project is 1000 square foot and depth of your project is 0.33 foot. Multiply this all, this will come about 330 cubic feet. It means if you want to know the quantity of gravel required in cubic feet for 1000 square foot area, then you need 330 cubic feet of gravel. And if you want to know this quantity in cubic yard, simply 1 yard is equal 27 cubic feet. It means you measure this gravel required quantity in cubic yard, then 330 is divided by 27. This will come about 12.22 cubic yard. And your question is how much gravel in cubic yard is required for 1000 square foot driveway. You need about 12.22 cubic yards of gravel material. And if you want to know this quantity in tons, simply multiply your cubic yard by 1.4. This is thumb rule to converting the cubic yards to tons, and this will come about 17 tons. And your question is how much gravel do I need for 1000 square foot area? You may need 333 cubic feet, 12.22 cubic yards, or either 17 tons of gravel for 1000 square foot driveway at the thickness of 4 inches. Thank you.